Hi guys, it's Megan Maria and another short video tutorial that I want to share with you guys. So this is the part 2 of my Canva AI tutorial about uh, creating your a poster or your flyers uh, into your project or business, whatever you want to do. So watch the first video that I created on how to create a poster using Canva AI 2.0, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a short instructional video based on your project. Alright, so before we go to my computer, if you're new to my channel, always don't forget to subscribe before you leave and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. To create a video like instructions step by step on how to make a download, so just type here create a video on how to make a dododango step by step by following simple instructions. Okay, and then let's see, then you can the quality of the video, the style that you want, you can choose here. The size of the video, but it only 16 by 9. We cannot make a short one, the 9 by 16. So if you want to add an audio, no audio, add audio, I just use no audio. And for framing, it's all up to you, you can decide, and lightning. Okay, so I'm just gonna submit this and let's wait for seconds. Alright, so now there you go. So let's play with this. Alright, so this is how it looks like if you create a video for this. Let's go back. And then I'm just gonna type here again, create a video on how to make a dorodang. I'm just going to ask to recreate a video for step 1 only. Okay, step 1. Then let's see, using the image above. There you go. So we are on the step 1. Here is the step 2, so let's watch this. Step 3. Alright, so now we're finished on 4. Let's watch this. Alright, there you go. So once you finish with all of this, what we're gonna do is I'm going to download this. So once you download that into your computer, then you can go again to Canva here. Let's go to Canva again. Okay, let's go home and let's create a video. So I'm gonna go for the landscape, and then I'm going to upload all those videos that we just downloaded. And you can just, guys, drag it here. Next, drag it here. Oops. Here. Just drag all the videos here. Last one is this one. I don't know which is the first one. We can change this one later on. And there you go. So we just move this one over here. Oops. Alright, so let's play this from the beginning. Let's start from this and let's see. Okay, so here is the first one that we just created. There you go. All right, so there you go. So this is how you can also create a video inside of Canva AI. And if you want to add some audio, you can just click audio and you can choose the audio that you want it here. So let's hear the music here. And then you can also click this and the volume over here. Where is this one? The volume. If it is too loud, then you can also balance the volume here, just like that. Okay, and then let's play this one from the beginning. Alright, so that is how you can create an AI video for your project if you want to use Canva AI. So this is just like an example that I'm showing you guys that you can also do this, or you can film yourself while doing your project and then upload it. And if you need any help with AI, then go to Canva AI and do the same thing that I've shown you. Okay, I hope you learned something from these guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.